Storm hit faster than expected. Zero visibility. Out here, minutes matter.
You can't outrun it. You survive it.
Something moved in the whiteout. I had to check.
It was still breathing, weak but alive. Cold doesn't kill fast, it kills quietly. Step 1. Remove anything blocking movement and warmth. Wind is the real killer. Block it. Slow progress. No rush. Survival is stability. Survival isn't dramatic. It's disciplined. Careful. It's weak, but it's trying. Patience is key. One step at a time. Breathing steady, that's a good sign. Free the legs, movement means survival.
Good, it's gaining strength. Lean on me. You're not alone out here. Eyes brighter, that means life. Storm's letting up. Time to move.
Light breaks through, survival continues.
One step at a time, that's how survival works.
Survival is movement, forward, always forward.
Mission isn't finished. Safety comes first.
Every step tells a story of survival.
Storm ends, survival remains.
Survival isn't luck, it's discipline.
Final check. Stable enough to move. I got you. Stay with me. Don't quit now. Mission isn't finished. Safety comes first.
There. That's our way out. We're not done yet. Stay locked in. We're almost there. Just a few more steps.
This is it. Don't fold now. We're seconds away. We made it. Get inside. You're safe now. Easy. Conserve energy. Warmth comes first.
He can rest now. Healing is a process.
Rest is medicine. Healing happens in stillness.
Patience matters. Recovery is a process. Small signs, big progress. I'm here. You're safe now. We'll get you strong again. One step at a time. That's how healing works.